Aden Costello. I work for your husband.
Hello, Mr. Costello. I know who you are. You sold the menagerie units.
Yes.
Good job.
Thank you.
It's nice to finally meet Regina Torrecampo.
Well, if you don't mind me asking, bakit ho kayo mag-isa dito ng umiinom?
Well, you know when it's the nth time that your husband has upset you, at dahil pa sa isang matandang maid na mas kinakampihan niya. Not even liquor can numb the pain, but I always try.
Well, mukhang mabigat ang pinagdadaanan niyo. How unfortunate.
Please sit down. Ay, naku, alam mo dapat. Siguro naging magician na lang si Greg. Maybe he could make me disappear or cut me in half because that would be less painful.
Well, to be honest, Mrs. Torrecampo, hindi ko na-expect na ganyan pala ang relationship niyo ni Sir Greg. If you're familiar with the saying, behind every great man, there's an even greater woman. And that's what comes to mind kapag nakikita ko kayong dalawa. Cheers. And I still think that's true. Siguro masyado lang ho kayo mabait, kaya tinatake advantage yun ni Sir Greg.
Ang sabi niya sa akin, ako daw ang umaabuso sa kabaitan niya.
Well, unsolicited advice. Don't let him get to you. Huwag mo siyang hahayaan na ibagsak ang self-esteem mo. I believe you deserve better.
I think that's pretty bold of you to suggest for someone you just met.
That's because I think you need it. Be like the woman na laging kinakwento sa akin ng daddy ko.
And why would I want to be like that woman?
Well, because she was the greatest love of his life. Isang palabang babae na hindi papayag na maisahan siya. Someone who knows her self-worth. Someone who won't let anyone dim her shine. So don't let your husband dim your shine, Mrs. Torrecampo. I believe you can still be that great woman behind your husband.
Thank you, Algin.
Cheers.
Tatandaan ko yan.
Mrs. Torrecampo, heading home so soon.
I just had a drink. Nagpalipas lang ng oras after office. Ayoko kasing umuwi ng maaga. Ayoko makita yung mukha ng asawa ko.
Gets ko naman yan.
Thank you nga pala sa unexpected company last night, ha?
Well, I guess we both were at the right place at the right time. Oh, na-resolve mo na ba yung problema at home?
Ako, paano ko naman masasolve? My husband won't even listen to me.
Well, kung ayaw kang pakinggan ng asawa mo and he's always undermining you, ignoring you, at lagi kang pinapaya sa iba gaya ng kwento mo, you know what? I think it's time for you to step up. Ikaw ang kumilos para makuha mo ang gusto mo.
Alam mo, tama ka dyan. Kung hindi papaalisin ni Greg yung katulong, ako ang papaalis. After all, I'm still the queen of his kingdom.
Sa panahon ngayon, you can even be king if you want to.
I like that. Thank you for humoring this old woman, Alvin.
Is there a problem, Mrs. Torrecampo? May dumi ba sa mukha ko?
Wala. You look like someone I knew from my past.
Sino to?
Wala. Nagkamali lang siguro ako. Anyway, I'll go ahead. My car's there.
Oh, you want me? Hatid na kita.
No. It's okay.
Are
I
you
can
sure?
manage. Yeah, I'm sure. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yes. I'll see you.
Bye, Aldrin.
Good night.
Good night.